first video froze halfway through, so I'm just going to do the teaching bit and maybe not the question. But going to practice. So it went up to the first part. We just need to start at so it's down to have a go at questions 2 to 6, I believe. I hope I'm right there. So looking at the next part, then we were looking at what we're really trying to do to convert them is so that we can compare. If they give us some values, some in fractions, some in percentages, some in decimals, we need to be able to compare to see which is bigger, which is smaller, and then possibly to find out what we've got left. So that's what we're doing now. So half of the children in the class have blonde hair, 35% of the children in the class have brown hair, and we're going to be asked what percentage of children have neither of these. So what's left over once you've taken this away? So what we're going to do is convert them both to percentages, because one is given is percentage and it asks for the answer as a percentage. So we can just, well, have a think about how to work that out. Okay, we're going to convert, so pause if you haven't thought for long enough. We're going to convert half to a percentage, which we know is 0.5, which is 50%. So we can add the two, 85%, and find out what's left by subtracting from 100%. So copy that down, please. That's 15%. So 15% have neither. We don't care what colour hair they have, but they don't have blonde and they don't have brown. That's important. These three, we've now got a decimal in there as well. So fraction, decimal, percent. And it's probably easiest to convert the percentage into a decimal and the fraction into a decimal. So have a think. How would you do that? Pause. So 3/5 we looked at as a decimal and as a percent. It's 0.6. Each fifth is 0.2. So if you've got two of them, 2/5 is 0.4, 3/5 0.6, and 4/5 0.8. 59.5%. To convert to a decimal, we just have to divide by 100. Percent means out of 100, if you remember. But just remember, before we can now compare the size. Hopefully you can see this one is smallest, sorry, and this one is biggest. But before we convert them back into the answers, we must go back to these. Put your answers in order as they were in the original question. So it's 59.5% is the smallest, not 0.595. Then 3/5, then 0.62. And then you can have a go at the rest of the worksheet. That helps you out.